Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will learn how to share report folder and dashboard folder with users. If you want to learn more about report and dashboard, so please watch all video of this playlist. Let's start and simply click here dashboards. Here we can see that dashboard name is account dashboard. Here we can see that share option is not available here. It means that we cannot share the single dashboard. We have, if you want to share dashboard, then we have to share folder of that dashboard. Simply click here account dashboard folder. After that, now here we can see that share option is available. Simply click here share option. Here we can see that first option is share with users, roles and some subordinate. After that, public groups. After that, we can search here name. Here I am select temp assistant admin. After that, here access is available, view, edit and manage. Manage is the topmost access. After that, next option is who can access. So here I am select here temp assistant admin. Simply click here share or share. Now we can see here temp assistant admin also access the dashboard, but it can only view the dashboard. After that, simply click here done. Now dashboard is shared to users. In this way we can share the dashboard, and similar way we can share report folder with users. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.